Okay, hello, my name is Jaap. I'm a solution engineer at the EMEA open source team. And I'd like to tell a little bit about Oracle Linux Cloud Native environment and how it can help you in your DevOps environment. So the safe harbor statement, because we talk a little bit about future directions. And first I want to explain a little bit about Oracle Linux. Oracle Linux is for free. You can download it, you can use it for free. We provide updates for free on the Oracle Yum repository server, and you are also allowed to redistribute Oracle Linux. There is freedom of choice, so if you want to, because we do not have a license for Oracle Linux, you can buy a support subscription for your production servers, but you can use Oracle Linux without support for free on your test or development service or on your development notebook. So there is just one version of Oracle Linux. Oracle Linux is Oracle Linux, and that you can run it on your developer notebook, on a bare metal server, virtual machine, in Oracle Cloud, of course, AWS or Azure clouds, the other clouds. There are a lot of developer tools inside Oracle Linux in a standard distribution. VirtualBox and Vagrant. We have a lot of Vagrant boxes on GitHub. Thousands of packages in our EPAL channels in the Yum repositories. And we provide other developer repos, KVM, Overt, and of course cloud native tools, containers, and Kubernetes. If you want to start with a cloud native environment, there are always two worlds: the build your own, do-it-yourself world, or you buy a vendor supplied distribution. There are pros and cons for both worlds. For do-it-yourself, you can always work with the latest versions. Of course, they are free of charge, and there is no dependency of a vendor. There are also disadvantages. It is a lot of work. You need the people with the right skills, a lot of testing, and obviously there is no support from a vendor. There's, of course, community support, but not from a vendor. With the vendor-supplied distribution, it's ready to use. There is an installer, and you install the whole environment in your infrastructure. It's tested to work, all the components, they work together. And there is enterprise support for the vendor-supplied distribution. But there are also disadvantages. There is the danger or the risk of vendor lock-in. It could be possible that the vendor changes the open source packages, add their own components to it. Added features most of the time means added costs, and it might be expensive. So you want to start with Cloud Native, and you look into the Cloud Native landscape on the CNCF website. And this picture is, I believe, from half a year ago. This picture is from a few weeks ago. So it is rapidly changing, the technology. And if you're overwhelmed, then have a look at the trail map. You see the URL. And the trail map is a kind of recommended process to work with cloud native tools. So it might be overwhelming, and that's why we have a kind of better alternative, as we say, and that is the Oracle Linux Cloud Native environment. This is a CNCF compliant curated suite of open source software. Oracle makes a selection of all the tools available in the Cloud Native landscape. The tools are tested and verified by Oracle, and they are added to the Oracle Linux distribution. There is freedom to deploy anywhere. Of course, you can use an Oracle Cloud as a managed service, but you can also use it in on-premise environments, private clouds, or in AWS on Azure cloud environments. And there is an enterprise class support for the Oracle Linux Cloud Native environment. And this is available at no additional cost. It's included in the Oracle Linux Premier Support subscription. So to stay close to what's happening in the Cloud Native Foundation, there is a specific kind of alignment. Oracle monitored the CNCF projects. The most promising projects, mature projects, they are added to the developer channel in a kind of preview distribution. And then after a while, they are added to the supported stack. And from that time on, customers, they can submit support tickets if they have problems in their environments, if there are bugs in the system and they need bug fixes for that. And Oracle works on the fixing the bugs and providing patches for that. And these are given back, of course, to the open source community, and then the whole cycle starts again with newer versions of the projects. So this is what we have available today. For the container infrastructure, we provide Oracle Container Runtime from Docker. We provide it in the current Oracle Linux 7 distribution, but it will also be available in the next Oracle Linux 8 distribution. We provide Oracle Container Registry, containerregistry.oracle.com. More and more Oracle products are provided as Docker images. And there is also the Ksplice service available for container security. Ksplice is one of the nice features inside Oracle Linux to do zero downtime patching of the Linux kernel and userland applications. Orchestration and management. We provide Oracle Container Service for use with Kubernetes. It's Kubernetes 1.12.7 version, the certified Kubernetes implementation. And there are tools included for very easy and simple configuration and setup of your Kubernetes environment. And also included in the Oracle Linux support subscription is Ceph storage, Luft storage, and Flannel. We also make sure that compatible tools work on Oracle Linux. These are popular cloud native tools. They are not included in the Oracle Linux support subscription, but they are complementary to the Oracle framework. But Oracle test and verify the tools that it works on Oracle Linux. Incubating or in tech preview at the moment. Some of these tools are already available in the developer channel, like Kata containers. Recently there was a very nice blog on blogs.oracle.com/linux about Kata containers, how to implement Kata containers in an Oracle Linux environment. So Oracle Linux Container Cloud Native environment is available for multiple deployment options. On-premise, bare metal servers, virtualization infrastructure, or you run it in a cloud environment, Oracle Cloud, AWS, or Azure. It's very easy to start with Oracle Linux Cloud Native environments. You can try it in Oracle Cloud, or run it on your developer laptop. Here in the demo station, we have a little Kubernetes Demo architecture. We use Vagrant and VirtualBox and the Vagrant boxes from Oracle from GitHub to deploy a little 3-node Kubernetes cluster in VirtualBox. And it's really easy to set up. You clone the files from GitHub. You register at Oracle Container Registry oracle.com. I mean, not a register, but accept the terms and conditions. You run a Vagrant app in your notebook, and then you go into the virtual machine and run the provisioning script. So within 15 or 20 minutes, you have a nice 3-node Kubernetes cluster running in your notebook. If you do not have a powerful notebook, then it's also possible to run a single node Kubernetes system, a kind of mini-kube alternative. So then you run all the applications on a single virtual machine. Thank you.